In today's video, I'll show you how to forward a Microsoft Teams conversation using Outlook. This is useful when you need to share important chats with someone outside of Teams, keep a record in your email, or include a conversation in documentation or approvals. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat or channel conversation you want to forward. Find the specific message you want to share. Hover your mouse over that message, then click the three dots to open more options. From the menu, select Copy Link if you want to share the conversation directly, or Copy if you want the message text itself. Now, open Microsoft Outlook and create a new email. Paste the copied content into the body of the email. If you copied the message link, the recipient can click it to open the conversation in Microsoft Teams, as long as they have access. If you copied the message text, you can paste it directly into the email and add context, notes, or additional information as needed. You can also forward multiple messages by copying each one and pasting them into the same email, keeping everything organized in one place. Once you're done, add your recipients, review the email, and click Send. This method allows you to easily forward Teams conversations through Outlook while keeping communication clear and accessible. And that's how to forward a Microsoft Teams conversation using Outlook. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tutorials.